Welcome to AdsWiki. I am the author of adswiki.co, where we put ad networks reviews. All reviews are authentic and true. If any of ad networks scammed you, please let us know. We will put a bad review about them because we love our publisher more than that of advertisers or ad networks. Okay, here we start. So I am going to compare Pop Ads and Popcash ad networks. So here are table of contents. I will put link to this post in description section. You can go to original post from there. Okay. So here we start the comparison. First of all, what are the Popcash and Pop Ads? Popcash and Pop Ads both are pop-under advertising networks. Pop-under ads means whenever a user clicks on your web page, the ad will automatically get opened in new window. That is called as pop-under advertising. Okay. So why pop-under ads? Sometimes it may annoy your visitors, but pop-under ads are highest paying form of ad network, because even when user don't want to click your ads, then also you get fed because ad will automatically open whenever he clicks anywhere on your website. So pop ads also has higher rates than other formats. Okay, so here we start the comparison. So first of all, we will start with the payment terms. The best thing I love about Popcash and Pop Ads is they are fastest paying pop-under ad networks in the world. Not pop-under, they are fastest paying ad networks in the world actually, because they pay their publishers daily basis. Many times I got my payments within 2 hours. You don't believe, but it's true. So here I am starting the review. In terms of minimum payment, Popcash has $10 and Pop Ads has $5 minimum payment. So now payment methods. Here the Popcash is winner because Popcash has almost 9 types of payment processors. Whereas Pop Ads has only 3 types: PayPal, Wire and TransferWise. Where Popcash has PayPal, Paxum, Skrill, WebMoney, Pioneer, Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum and Ripple. So in payment terms, the winner is Popcash because it has many payment methods, where it general information about Popcash payment methods is given. Okay, so next point is features of Popcash and Pop Ads. In terms of field rates, Pop Ads is better than Popcash because Pop Ads serves ads to each and every person. They also has anti-ad block ad code that will bypass ad blockers also. So you will increase your revenue by 20 to 30% by bypassing ad blockers. Okay. So in terms of support, both ad networks are better. They provide 24/7 support. In terms of security, Pop Ads is better than Popcash. Popcash has normal security like other ad networks works, but Pop Ads has better security. They has SSL technology, means safe server. Both ad networks coverage all type of traffic from any corner of the country, any corner of the world. They has worldwide coverage. So control on CPM rates. The Pop Ads has better control on CPM rates. In terms of Popcash, there is no control because Pop Ads let you set the minimum bid price, so you will get rates higher than set value only. With Popcash, that option is not available. Okay. In terms of statistical updates, both has real-time updates. means your earnings gets updated each and every second. Okay. Next point is approval requirement. In terms of approval requirement, both ad networks are very good. There is no any traffic requirement. There is no any requirement like a top level domain. Blogger, Blogspot subdomains are also get approved by them. Adult websites are also get approved on Popcache and Pop Ads, and even Pop Ads has very high rates for adult websites. Okay. One more thing to say, Popcache and Pop Ads also accepts websites that are copy paste that have copy pasted content, websites related to torrents, piracy, all kinds of traffic get accepted, except they don't accept fake and bot traffic. Keep in mind. Okay. Now ad types. One thing is clear that both are pop under ad networks, but additionally, Pop Ads has options like pop-up, tab off, tab under, floating banners, and push notification ads. But Popcache don't has any other option. They only have pop under ads. Okay. Now I will talk about how to start making money with Popcache and Pop Ads. It is very short process. Join both the ad networks by using given link, by filling a simple form like your name, email address, password. Okay. Then once you submit login form, you will get a verification email. Click on verify. After clicking it, log into your Popcache or Popcache dashboard. Then go to website section, submit website by inputting some details like category of your website, URL of your website, etc. Once you submit website, go to get code option, copy given code and paste that code in HTML of your website. Where in HTML? That is important question. Put the copied code in between opening head tag and closing head tag. You can put anywhere between opening and closing head tag. One good news, if you are using Blogger platform for blogging, it is very easy to put ad codes. Just log into Blogger, then go to layout option, then click on add gadget, then click on HTML or JavaScript. In content option, put the code we copied. Okay. Then click on save. There is no need to add title. If you want to add title, you can add, but it is not required at all. Okay. Now, next thing, that's all done with adding ad code. It is very simple to add ad code. On this post, I have given all the details on how to add ad code in Popcache or Puppets. For Popcache also, the method is same. Copy the code, then put it in your HTML in between header tag. If you have Blogger, go to layout, add gadget, HTML, JavaScript, put the code inside content box and save. That's all done. Now start making money with Pop under ads. Okay. Now the next point is which ad network has better customization ad customization option, Popcache or Pop Ads. Here Popcache don't have that much customization option. Just you can select between whether you want to show or not adult, gambling, sound and software ads. You can set option no if you don't want to show those type of ads. But more you allow, more you earn. Keep in mind. That's all available customizability with Popcache. But with Pop Ads, you have very high range of customization availability. So here we start. While submitting website, you have option to select which kind of advertisements you want to allow. Means whether you want to allow auto-playing sound or video, additional pop-up openers, long loading content, adult content, gambling content, and software information. If you deselect, these kinds of ad networks get blocked, and your visitors will not get served with these kind of ad types. Okay, you can also select or deselect ad type, means when pop under is fixed. Additionally, you can select pop-up, tab under, tab web, floating banner, and push notifications. Once you done with this ad website, then go to code generator. In code generator also you have many options. With Popcache you don't have any option like this. With Pop Ads you have many options like pop unders per visitor, means how many pop unders you want to serve a visitor within 24 hours. Okay, you can also set delay between pop unders, means if a visitor gets served with a pop-up ad, after that serving, after how much time you want to serve second ad, you can set it between seconds. Okay, you can also set minimum bid, means minimum price you allow to be served. Okay, you can set this in dollars. Okay, and this, keep in mind, this minimum bid is for per popper, not for 1000 poppers, or not, it is not a CPM, it is price per popper. Okay, next option you have is whether your website is flash compatible or not. Select that option so that accordingly pop ads will serve advertisement types. So here clearly winner is pop ads. Many bloggers and website owners asked me these questions. I am sharing with you. Can I use Popcache and Pop ads on the same website? Yes, you can use both ad networks on the same website. Even I suggest using them because it will double your earnings. Okay, but keep in mind, don't use more than 3 pop under ad codes on one website. Okay, because it will impact your CPM rates. Okay, next question is, can I use AdSense with Popcache and Pop ads, pop unders? Yes, you can use, but here also there is a rule. You can use only 3 pop-up ad networks with AdSense. You can't use more than 3 pop under ads. So next point is CPM rates. In terms of CPM rates, both the ad networks gives good rates. Honestly, I will suggest you to try both the ad networks for a week on your website, then only stick with one of them, because different ad networks has different kind of ad inventory, and also different websites has different traffic quality, and also different countries visitors, so rates depends on it. So I honestly recommend that try both the ad networks on your website and then decide whom to use, and try at least for a week. You will not get proper results in a day, so use at least for a week. Okay, here I am sharing my review, means I done trial of both ad networks on my website, where mostly I get Asian traffic, mostly from India. So I added Popcache pop unders on my website for a week, and the results are, I got $1 only in a week. They counted only 4,000 impressions. They counted only 4,000 impressions, but my website gets almost to more than 15,000 impressions per week. Okay, but Popcache counted only 4,000, and they given only $0.25 CPM, so I earned only $1 in a week. Whereas with Pop Ads, I earned $7 for similar kind of traffic. Okay, because it counted all of my impressions. That proves that Pop Ads use 100% fill rate and it counts every impression. In that week, I got 16,400 impressions, and average CPM I got with Pop Ads is $0.4. One point I want to clear that I have higher visitors every week. Means averagely I get at least 15,000 visitors every week, but Popcash only counted 4,000 impressions, whereas Pop Ads counted properly. Okay, so there are higher chances with Pop Ads to get higher revenue. But again, I say it depends on ad inventory available. Maybe for your website, there are more advertising campaigns available with Popcash than Pop Ads. So I always suggest try it, then select. So here I am sharing my payment proofs. Here is Popcash payment proofs, and here is Pop Ads payment proof. Don't worry about getting scammed because both ad networks are very legitimated, very trustworthy. So don't worry. I assure you that you will definitely get paid by this ad network unless and until you have fake traffic. Okay. So I'm putting this link in description also, so you can have a detailed look inside my post and also can join using these given links. So thanks a lot for reading my post, watching my video. I hope you will subscribe to my channel. Keep visiting AdsWiki because I always post on my website. I post generally 2 to 3 posts per week, and all posts are authentic, and all ad networks I review are timely paying ad networks. So don't worry about getting scammed. If any ad network don't pay you, please don't forget to contact me. I will ask them to pay, or if they don't pay, I will post a bad review about them because I love my publishers than ad networks, because finally I am a publisher only. So I am always there to support you. Thanks a lot for watching video. Please share it with your friends if they are blogger. I am also, if you are using a blogger platform, I am also posting many blogger tutorials, means how to add table of contents in your blog, also how to add ad codes or text box inside your blogger post. There are many blogger tutorials available. Okay, here I'm showing C, how to add automatic table of contents in blogger. Adding table of contents will help you in SEO also. How to enable HTTPS on Blogger platform. How to edit profile in Blogger. There are simple questions also. Some bloggers are new, so I put simple questions also. Also, I added how to use Blogger full guide. How to add meta tags to Blogger. How to add rating widget to your blog. I also added how to add related posts to Blogger, and many more posts are there that will help you to improve your blog. Many things to come. I am also going to add about how to increase your search engine rankings. When you visit my website, don't forget to visit AdSterra review because it is newly added ad network and is best AdSense alternative. They has very good rates for you and also accept all kind of websites. So here I am ending my post. Thanks for watching the video. Thanks a lot.